In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste text on the Canva mobile app. Let's start by opening the Canva app on your phone and heading into any design that already has some text in it. This could be a social media post, a presentation slide, or any other project you're working on. Once your design is open, tap on the piece of text you want to copy. You'll see a bounding box appear around it, along with a small toolbar at the bottom or top of your screen, depending on your device. When that text is selected, look for the option that lets you duplicate or copy the text element. On most versions of the Canva mobile app, this appears as a duplicate button in the toolbar. Go ahead and tap that. As soon as you do, Canva will create an exact copy of your text box right on the canvas. This copy will have the same font, size, color, effects, and alignment as the original, which is really handy for keeping your design consistent. Now, you can drag the duplicated text to wherever you need it. Just tap and hold the copied text box, then slide it into position with your finger. If you want to adjust the text itself, double tap inside the box to open the keyboard and edit the content. The styling will stay the same, but you can change the words to fit different parts of your design, like multiple headlines, labels, or captions. If your goal is to paste that same text into another page within the same design, or even into a different design, you can use your device's native copy and paste. With the text box selected, double tap the actual text until your system text options appear. Then tap Copy. Navigate to the page or design where you want to paste it. Tap inside an existing text box or create a new one. Then tap and hold until the paste option shows up. Tap Paste, and your copied text will appear, ready to be styled or positioned. A quick tip: if you're repeating the same style over and over, using duplicate on the text box is usually faster than recreating formatting each time. You can also zoom in with 2 fingers if you're working on small text, so you can place and edit it more precisely. That's all you need to know to copy and paste text efficiently on the Canva mobile app, helping you work faster while keeping your designs clean and consistent.